Ah, YouTube, that magical world where a cat playing a piano can garner millions of views, while your meticulously edited, well-researched documentary on climate change struggles to reach 100. It's like high school all over again. The popular kids don't necessarily have the most talent, they just know how to work the room. Now, imagine the life of a YouTuber. Let's call him Bob. No, Bob is not a cat. He's just a regular guy trying to make it big on YouTube. Bob starts his channel with a bang, or so he thinks. He's got his fancy camera, a fantastic backdrop, and a script that would make Shakespeare weep. He uploads his first video and waits, and waits, and waits. His subscriber count remains a solid one. His mum. Undeterred, Bob decides to experiment. He tries a cooking video, but the souffle collapses. He tries a makeup tutorial, but ends up looking like a cross between a clown and a raccoon. He tries a fitness video, but pulls a muscle doing a burpee. But Bob is nothing if not persistent. He decides to dive into the world of video game walkthroughs. His first video is a disaster. He spends half the time lost in a virtual forest, another quarter of the time being killed by low-level monsters, and the rest of the time accidentally muting his microphone. But then, something miraculous happens. People start to watch. They find Bob's bumbling attempts at video gaming hilarious. His subscriber count starts to climb. 100, 200, 500, 1,000. Bob has found his niche. He's not the best gamer, he's not the funniest guy, but he's real and people love that. Bob starts to enjoy his newfound fame. He's recognized in the virtual gaming world. He's invited to gaming conventions. He even gets a sponsorship deal. Life is sweet for Bob. But then, the unthinkable happens. Bob beats the game. His subscribers are devastated. What will they watch now? Bob is in a panic. He tries other games, but it's not the same. His views start to decline. His sponsorship deal is in jeopardy. In a desperate bid to save his channel, Bob decides to go back to his roots. He uploads a video of him reciting Shakespeare. He's not expecting much. But then, something amazing happens. His subscribers love it. They've missed Bob's unique take on things. His views start to climb again. His sponsorship deal is saved. And that, my friends, is the life of a YouTuber. A roller coaster of highs and lows, a constant quest for views and subscribers. But at the end of the day, it's not about the numbers, it's about being true to who you are. So, whether you're a cat playing a piano or a guy reciting Shakespeare, remember this. YouTube might feel like high school, but it's not about being popular, it's about being you. And who knows, maybe one day your climate change documentary will surpass that piano-playing cat. After all, stranger things have happened on YouTube.